AI is no longer just transforming software development. It's now setting its sights on scientific research. LLMs like GPT-4 and Google's Gemini have moved beyond coding, entering the world of academia by generating research ideas, conducting experiments, and drafting papers. These AI systems are already challenging human researchers by coming up with novel ideas, some more innovative than what humans produce. In this video, we'll explore how LLMs are reshaping research and what that means for the future of scientific discovery, from automation to collaboration. Stay tuned to learn how this new frontier could impact everything from innovation to human intelligence. LLMs in the world of software engineering. Let's first revisit the starting point, software engineering. When LLMs like GPT-3 and GPT-4 became available, the way engineers approached coding tasks transformed dramatically. GitHub Copilot, powered by these models, allowed developers to autocomplete code, debug, and even generate entire code blocks from scratch. This tool became an essential part of many developers' workflows, saving them time and helping them focus on more complex problems. In fact, some LLMs have been found to generate code more efficiently than their human counterparts, accessing vast libraries of pre-existing code and suggesting optimized solutions within seconds. Imagine being a software engineer tasked with repetitive coding work that would normally take hours. With LLMs, the same task could be completed in minutes. Tools like Copilot enable developers to streamline their processes and focus on problem solving rather than repetitive coding. However, this progress also led to debates within the software engineering community. If AI can code efficiently, what does that mean for the future of human coders? So far, the consensus seems to be that LLMs are tools to enhance productivity rather than replace human engineers entirely. They assist with the more mechanical aspects of coding, freeing humans up to focus on creativity and innovation. The shift towards AI research. But coding was only the beginning. As LLMs grow more powerful, they are expanding into areas previously thought to require human-level intelligence, most notably scientific research. Today, LLMs are being used not to just assist with research, but to generate new scientific hypotheses, review literature, and even draft entire research papers. AI's role in research is no longer hypothetical, it's real and expanding. A standout example is Sakana AI's The AI Scientist, an automated system designed to produce end-to-end research. The AI scientist can generate new research ideas, conduct experiments, analyze data, and draft scientific reports. In essence, it acts as a one-stop shop for the research process. The implications are profound. Rather than waiting for human researchers to come up with new ideas, AI systems can autonomously propose novel research directions. For instance, a recent study by Stanford University tested the creative abilities of LLMs by comparing AI-generated research ideas to those proposed by human experts. The results were surprising. AI-generated ideas were rated as significantly more novel than those from human researchers. However, there was a catch. While LLMs excelled at novelty, their ideas were often less feasible. This underscores a key limitation of AI. It can generate creative solutions, but still struggles to assess their practicality. LLMs are generating research papers. With LLM's capacity for generating research ideas, the next step was inevitable: writing research papers. Many researchers are now using AI to help draft their academic work, from literature reviews to data analysis. In some cases, LLMs have been tasked with generating the entire first draft of a research paper. This has triggered both excitement and skepticism in academic circles. On the one hand, AI's ability to speed up the writing process is a clear advantage. It allows researchers to spend less time on mundane tasks and more time on conducting experiments or analyzing results. However, there are also concerns about the quality of AI-generated research. Mukur Gupta, an applied scientist at Apple, expressed disappointment with an LLM-generated review for a neural IPS paper, noting that it lacked depth and novelty. The main issue is that while LLMs can process vast amounts of information, they struggle to synthesize it into meaningful, high-quality research. Some argue that AI-generated content risks flooding academic journals with subpar work, diluting the value of human-driven research. Yet, there are others who see AI as a tool to augment human creativity. LLMs may not be capable of producing groundbreaking discoveries independently, but they can certainly assist in idea generation and accelerate the research process. How far can LLMs go? LLMs have shown immense capabilities, especially when it comes to processing large datasets. In fields like drug discovery, AI models can sift through enormous amounts of data and identify patterns that would take humans months or even years to discover. In this way, LLMs are accelerating the pace of research across various scientific disciplines. However, despite their advantages, LLMs are not without limitations. The most significant drawbacks lie in their inability to reason and plan like a human. While LLMs can generate hypotheses and test ideas, they lack the ability to evaluate the feasibility or ethical implications of their suggestions. For example, LLMs might propose an innovative solution, but without human intervention, they could miss critical details or produce misleading results. Additionally, LLMs can sometimes fail when interpreting data or conducting experiments. Errors in data analysis, inaccurate conclusions, and even incorrect experiment setups are all potential pitfalls of relying too heavily on AI. This is why human oversight is still crucial in the research process. LLMs can assist in data processing and hypothesis generation, but they are not yet equipped to replace human intuition and critical thinking. Collaboration or competition. Given the current trajectory of AI and research, one of the biggest questions is whether we're headed toward a future of collaboration or competition. Will AI models like LLMs replace human researchers, or will they become our research partners? For now, collaboration seems like the most likely outcome. LLMs excel at automating routine tasks such as literature reviews and data analysis. This allows human researchers to focus on more strategic, high-level thinking. Imagine a world where scientists work side by side with AI using LLMs to handle preliminary experiments and draft research papers, while they focus on interpreting results and making critical decisions. However, some experts caution that if LLMs continue to improve at their current pace, they could eventually surpass human researchers in many areas. While AI may currently assist researchers, the question remains, how long before it competes with them directly? This is a future that some are eagerly anticipating, while others view it with caution. A study done at Sakana AI underscores the possibility of LLMs automating not only individual steps of the research process, but creating an entire research pipeline. With AI systems like the AI scientist performing tasks such as brainstorming, experiment design, and even peer review, the lines between AI assistants and human research are beginning to blur. The vision of AI as a co-researcher is becoming a reality, but the scope of this collaboration remains in question. A word of caution. As with any technological advancement, the rise of LLMs in research brings ethical concerns. One of the main issues is the potential for AI-generated research to introduce bias or misinformation. LLMs are trained on vast datasets, but if these datasets contain bias or inaccurate information, the AI outputs could reflect those same issues. This could have serious implications for fields like medicine or social sciences, where accuracy is paramount. Another concern is the transparency of AI-generated research. How can we ensure that papers written by LLMs are held to the same standards as human-generated work? And how do we prevent the over-reliance on AI from reducing the quality of research output? These are critical questions that researchers and policymakers need to address as AI continues to permeate the academic world. Piracy concerns also loom large, especially as AI systems are often fed sensitive data to generate results. Ensuring that data is handled ethically and securely will be essential as these models become more integrated into research settings. Additionally, there is the potential for misuse. Some fear that AI could be leveraged to produce false or misleading scientific data, intentionally or otherwise. Disruption or revolution. To wrap it up, LLMs are no longer just tools for automating coding. They are reshaping the landscape of scientific research. From generating novel research ideas to drafting entire papers, these AI models are becoming integral to the research process. But with this newfound power comes a host of challenges. While LLMs can certainly accelerate the pace of discovery, they still rely heavily on human oversight for reasoning, critical thinking, and ethical decision-making. The future of AI in research isn't necessarily a choice between disruption and collaboration. Instead, it might be a combination of both, where humans and AI work together to unlock new frontiers of innovation. Whether this marks the beginning of a research revolution or merely an evolutionary step remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, the world of research will never be the same again. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.